Hi Year 7 and welcome to Term 4. I hope you had a great break. This is where you're going to find your work for this week and for the rest of the term. I'm just going to talk you through our little Google page site. It's going to have all your work there. Just reflecting back on what we did last term. I was trying to see if I can get a way where we can put all our work together. So this is what I've come up with. So this is our Google Sites page. This is your home page. You've got a little map of the school. Feel free to have a little play around with that, change the settings, look at the satellite as well, and start understanding how we're interconnected with other parts of Australia and particularly Sydney. Really important at the moment, particularly with stuff like house prices. So have a look at that. We've got a countdown to the Christmas holidays, and I've got the weather forecast as well, because you know that's one thing that connects everyone on around the world is weather. And also I've got the moon and how it's going to be full, and yeah, I thought I'll put that there for a bit of interest. So that's our home page. You can see at the top we've got all of our work. So I'm going to click on our week 1. And on week 1, what's going to happen? You're going to have a little. This is where you're going to find your the sort of video to explain what you're going to be doing each week. So listen to that, and it will help you explain what you've got to do. What you need to do is click on the must-do activities, and here, what I want you to do this week are these tasks. So there's a pre-quiz Google Forms that I'd like you to complete. That's really straightforward and easy. And then there's an instructional video that I want you to quickly summarize and some really important points. And then what I want you to do is have a look at the Google slides that I've created, some information there. And then I want you to complete the Google Forms. To find that Google Forms, you just click on the hyperlink and it will take you to the forms. Can you make sure though that you've logged into Google Chrome using your school account? And then what I want you to do is complete this Padlet and summarize what you've learned. So that's what I want you to do by the end of this week. So each week you're going to have about 3 or 4 tasks that you've got to do, and the deadline for that is always going to be Friday afternoon. Now, if you're someone who has done all their work, you really like what you're doing, then click on the should do activities. And the should do activities are a bit of an extension work, and these are optional. So what I want you to do is have a look at that video, and there's all these different types of holidays, but what I want you to do is to research the history of holidays, and I want you to put together a timeline of key dates in the development of holidays. People haven't always had holidays. It's a right for people at work to have. So what I want you to do is to research an answer for that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put another little button at the bottom of this, and you're going to click on that, and that will take you to a place where you can upload your work. It's up to you how you want to answer the question. You can do it in forms of a document. You can write your answer. You might want to do a PowerPoint in Google Slides. Totally up to you. So that's what we've got for this week. I hope that explains what you need to do. Any problems, send me an email or talk to me at the classroom. All right, thanks guys.